Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's make a bloom. I'm using Let's resin today. I think I'm gonna do some greens. Here. I think I'm gonna go with some capital M's for my daughter. She recently made a giant career change after working at a company for 5 years and went the total opposite direction in something she was interested in, and I'm so very proud of her. And I'm not gonna tell her I made this video, but hopefully she'll come across it sometime and maybe it'll put a smile on her face, you know what I mean? Because I love her, I'm so proud of her. I couldn't have hand-drawn a better daughter and brought her to life. She's extraordinary. She's one of the kindest people I've ever known. And I'm very proud of her. And she always has my support no matter what she does, so. Madison, if you're watching, I love you, sweetheart. I'm very, very proud of you. Okay, make sure you get all your bubbles brought out. I don't know if I'm gonna do this in 2 layers or not. I'm gonna put some stones in the middle. One, 2. Do the turquoise by Let's Resin. Okay, turquoise. Oh yeah, I wasn't gonna do the outside. Well, I don't listen to myself, do I? Hopefully it'll all pull in. Emerald green by Let's Resin. And I like the lime color from Deco. It's bright and really cool. Okay, mix that up a little bit. Get this in our piping bag. My resin was 91 degrees. Let's do some M's for my sweet Madison. And I don't think I'm in the middle. Not based on that. Top point anyway. Okay, I think I am more now. And that's what I was going by, the top point. Because I want to do an M right here. I'm not going to do it all the way down. M for my baby. Get a toothpick. Pull that down some if I want. So it ain't so blobby right there. Or make it go up through the line. However you want to do it. I think we'll do some, let's do it upside down. Let's do a J, because that is her middle initial. J. Whoops. It's hard to make a J when I'm, there we go. Looks like a fish hook almost. That one went crazy on me. Darn it. And we'll do a heart right here, half heart. Curl those around. Could put dots in them real quick. I think I will. One. Okay guys, that's what I'm gonna leave it as. Let that bloom. Sweet. So we can torch that real quick. Nice. And I'll see you in a little while. And we'll do something on the back. Sweet. See you soon. 2 more drops of Eder Art. Mix that up. My resin was 90 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and do a back layer. Let's see. Oh yeah, I did use lime for deco rum. So we'll get some right here. Oh no, this is kiwi. Oh my gosh. Whoops. Wrong color. Well, it is what it is. Just trying to fill that space in. Didn't need to go with all that white. Definitely pull it in. Okay, is that the only place I'm gonna... I don't want to add nothing else. And I kind of do. But I don't know. Not very thick, is it? Okay. See, those look like all 9s. That's how I did that. So we'll do 9s, 9, 9, backwards 9s. And we'll do all 9s again. this one can just be all nines like that one, I guess. Well, we'll have one oddball one, two oddball ones. That blobbed up right there. Now we'll leave that alone. Okay guys, I'll let this cure and then we'll check it out. See ya. Okay guys, I already got it out of the mold because I had to use this earlier. So I just set this up again so I could show you. Are you ready? I think it turned out very beautiful. There it is. There you go, my sweet daughter. No. I shouldn't have added them last few ones. So the next one I make, I'll probably leave the outer ones out. Because I do like to see some color back there. But I think it's very beautiful. I hope you guys like this bloom. I hope you have an extraordinary day. And I hope you guys be creative. And try some of these awesome designs that are floating around the internet. Super cool and super fun. And they'll look beautiful in your home. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. See ya.